this is how much we made on this flip. Check it out. Pretty nice, huh? So I'm gonna break it down for you. Our purchase price was $220,000. You do not have to come up with $220,000 cash. There's different loans that you can use, other people's money, Harmony loans, etc. But we're not gonna get into that. When you have this purchase price, you have to account for closing costs on the purchase side and on the sell side. So here we have on the purchase side closing cost of $6,938. On the sell side we have $15,004. Okay, so this is escrow, title, and then here commissions for the realtors. Okay, on the back end. All right, so our recap was $63,000, 220. Our holding cost. Okay, so this is what holding costs are. For us, it's our monthly interest to our hard money lender. Okay, we did cash for keys for these individuals, and we paid our acquisitions manager as well. And aside from that, we also did utilities, all those expenses, miscellaneous stuff. Okay, so that's why it's so high right there. Project took about 5-6 months, so it was like a long time of interest. Like interest alone was like $12,000. Okay, so this gives us the profit of $94,838,000. Our sales price was $430,000. Okay, so this sales price, we didn't have that as ARB when we purchased the property. We actually had as ARB $360,000. Okay, and then we did 5.5% of commissions of closing costs. We did an estimate of $50,000 for rehab, and then we did a holding cost of like about 3%, so way less than that, like $12,000. 3% of the ARB, which is 360, 3%. We're talking about 9-10 grand of holding costs, right? So obviously our numbers were a little bit off, but then the market went up and we got 60, 40, 70,000 way more than what we expected. So we still came positive. Really good deal right here. This is like our 6th deal this year that we made up at 100 grand. So pretty good. Check it out. Follow us on TikTok, follow us on Instagram, follow us everywhere, and we hope that we can help you get your first deal soon.